how do you handle rejection from clients? And you've spoken in the past when you were in your first one in Dubai, when you were surviving on 10 dirhams a month, you used to walk a lot of distances,
Yeah.
carry two shirts because you will sweat so much, and then change it over there. And a lot of times the client doesn't show up. He just says, "Oh, I can't make it," and then you do walk back again, having not met the client. In general, in sales, I feel there's a very high amount of rejection every day. You might face less because you're very good at it, but the rest of us, we might get a lot of rejection on a daily basis. How do you deal with that?
Listen, back then, why did I face lots of rejection? Because I didn't know what qualifying a client is. I didn't know. Well, actually, I didn't have the knowledge that I have today when it comes to um, the market analysis, the history of the city. I didn't know the tone of the people. What does it mean? If like lots of people tell you, yes, I'm gonna meet you, but it's a definite no. But back then, for me, yes, it was yay, I got a meeting. So that's why I used to have all of these issues, you know. And back then, if you ask me how I used to handle it, it was sad. It was tiring. It was, I'm looking at the skies and I'm saying, why? Like, what did I ever do in my life to deserve this? But I'll tell you what happened to me. I lived all of my life. By the way, back home, I was living very good. I had the cars, I had the lifestyle, the clothes, everything, but I had no future or a career. So for me, letting everything go, especially my comfort zone, my mother, my friends, my family, my everything, it was very tough. But what happened when I came in here, and every day I had the devil sound which was telling me, you're better than that. You don't need to live like that. Go back home. At least your food is secured, everything is secured, and you can make it again back home. So I was having this daily battle that, and every day nothing was coming to make it easier for me. It was harder. People were talking to me with, yeah, lots of disrespect. I was getting phone hang up in my face. I was getting it all. uh, but I said, I'm never going back there. I am here. I need to count on myself. I'm not asking no one for help, and I'm gonna make it no matter what.
In general, I think being in sales can be a very humbling experience because every single day, no matter how big you get, there might be one client who will just reject you, and once again, you feel like, oh, you're not good enough, or you're not able to
Listen, the
close.
rejection comes for a reason. Let me tell you something. There is sales and there is solving problems. If you see this industry as I am selling a house, yeah, you can fail 50%, you can succeed 50%. If you are here to solve a problem, you will succeed 100%. And if you do it not caring for your commission,
Yeah.
nothing can stop you. 2014, 15, and 16, I was answering every phone call, helping everyone and every just on the phone without meeting them. And I've never got anything out of it. But guess what? These people know people that they wanted to buy or to sell or to flip or to get the finance. They remembered me. But like, that's a good guy. He will help you. He's professional. And I got this business. So you need to just be a person who wants to solve problems to people. Why people want to buy property in here? Europeans, they're avoiding taxes. It's very obvious. Okay. Some other people, let's say if you are from an Arabic country like Lebanon or Iraq or Syria or all these places where you see wars right now, you're going for a second home. You know, this year, what I was selling this year, I was feeling noble doing this because I don't know if you know the situation in Lebanon where the banks has frozen all of the money of the people. No one can take a dirham out or a dollar or a lira. So it was shocking for everyone. And so what we have done in here, we have signed up with multiple developers that we allowed people to pay manager's check in Lebanon, but obtaining a property in Dubai. When we started calling them, giving them the service, they were like, oh, they're scammers, that cannot be right. And then until they start seeing people doing it. So I'm telling you, the amount that I spent over the phone, it was that month's May and April. My screening time was 22 hours a day. Okay, that's between calls, WhatsApp, emails, and stuff. And every person I was talking to, he was breaking my heart by telling me, I've been working for 15 years, 20 years just to save this capital for my kids. And now they took it all out of me, and I can barely buy food. So by me solving his problem to him, he's obtaining a property in Dubai, he's getting money from the rental, or even selling the property again in Dubai and giving him cash. This is nobility, man. It's not I'm doing a sale here. I'm here to change his life. He got screwed from a government, and I'm here to change it. So yeah, it gave me an amazing satisfaction. Just for mothers or grandmothers telling me, God bless you, you know, it makes you happy.
It's beyond a job now.
Yeah, yeah. It's not, I'm telling you, it's not the sale. For me, it's not the sale at all.